Tug of war for junior boys will be played between Tikendrajit and Thangal House.
Kevin, Dhanaraj mamang ko. So have lot. Oh yeah.
Now we are going to have a tug of war between Tikendrajit House and Thangal House. So all the houses, all the students, please all cheer up your own houses. And please don't get inside the field. Playground now, jangan berlaku. Ground mo nang sa mapanda sa kuya, mapanda. Hanggang sa mapanda sa kuya, mapanda. Now, we are going to have a tug of war between Tikendrajit and Thangal House. Cino, yes. Tikendrajit at one time ngamen. Now we'll cross safe thoroughly. For junior boys, tug of war. Students, please move backward. Mapanda, out of the field. Masa hopefully them cheer up to me. Yeah, and she's high. Pull up the shoe. Masa thing with them like you. Go! Yes. Yes! Now we will have Pauna House and Pakamba House. Junior boys, please get inside the field. Pauna House and Pakamba House. After this, junior girls, get ready. After junior boys talk about between Pakamba and Pauna House, girls please get ready.
Hey, come on, how many days?
All the students please move backward, a little bit backward. Sang hidore, filter, kitang hando. Ganas. Angan sinjento kitang tangku pio. Kitang tang sinjo pamaning lomba.
Asma yang ini, Angan yang ini. Angan tu kurang yang tadi.
Angan jauh kerja sih.
Let's go. Junior girls, get ready after this. Boys, you have tackle for junior girls.
Ini lah, yang ini kok. Ini mending itu
Yes. 징어. 다독거려 징어. Yes. 징어. 돌아 징어. 다독거려 징어. 돌아 징어. 다독거려 징어. 돌아 징어. Yes, second has gone to now junior girls.